So probably if they can put a better camera to it, this can probably rival DJI. Going forward, so there's beep. No matter how I push, it will just not go forward. So the funny looking obstacle avoidance camera here actually works. I'm impressed. A quick unboxing of what you're gonna get. Comes folded with a film as a protection. Bottom has a visual positioning. Let's unfold it, and here's how it looks. Pretty cool. Obstacle avoidance camera with a 360 coverage. You get one set of blades. Notice the A and B type. Screwdriver and USB cable as well. The remote looks pretty much like a DJI Mavic remote. That's where you mount your phone with a bottom extender to show what the help. Manuals in multiple languages. So to start, read the manual that comes with it first. Charge the remote by plugging in the USB over here. Charge the drone battery by plugging in the USB here. Once both are fully charged, turn on the remote with the switch over here. Long press the drone to turn on the drone battery. Once they are connected, this mode will show mode 1, and once there's GPS lock, then it will show mode 2. So there's a beep, it means they are connected. Now they're showing 5 GPS, 7 GPS. Okay, once there's a 3D GPS lock, then it will change to mode 2. It's only when remote and the drone connected together, then only you'll be able to find the Wi-Fi signal of that drone. Now slot in your phone, look for the Wi-Fi XIL. Download the app called ZLL Max. You can get it from Play Store or scan the QR code that's provided in the manual. It's connected, I can see the image. Now if you read the manual for your first flight, long press the camera button for 5 seconds. Then you perform a compass calibration. Okay. Once it's satisfied, then it will be a beep. Once it beeps, that means the compass calibration is correct. Now you should place your drone on a flat surface. Long press the speed button for leveling calibration. I'm not going to do this again because it's not a flat surface. You should do it on a solid flat surface. Now check that your surrounding is clear of people. Only fly this on an open area. To initiate the motor, you just hold the stick inwards and down. I have hacked this to become a mode 1, which is a right hand throttle, instead of a mode 2, which is a left hand throttle. So I'm going to initiate takeoff now. Hold inwards, then throttle up. Yes, we are on GPS home mode, and then even though it's outdoor, but when you're low on the ground, it will limit your control. You see, there's very limited control. Doesn't really let you go that far, so you have to gain height, and then it will go straight and all the direction normally. We are on low speed mode. Let's go full forward, low speed mode. Let's come back again. Once I press the speed button, then we can go faster forward and also reverse. Alright, so that's a pretty good speed. And of course, banking left and right as well with much more authority. Now, although you're on a high speed mode, if you just get down close to the ground, it will still continue to limit your forward speed. See? So it's limited. In the event that you're indoor and then there's no GPS, it will not allow you to initiate flight. So you have to press this, hold this for 5 seconds to turn off the GPS lock. Then you can fly indoor. And now I'm going to show you the obstacle avoidance, which is felt really impressive. And you'll see that it will not allow me to go forward. Okay, let's say we're going forward, so there's beep. And then no matter how I push, it will just not go forward. Okay, so that's a really well working obstacle avoidance. Let's say on the side, we bang to the side, you see, so it blocks, it doesn't allow you to go. So reverse would work as well, because if you can spot the obstacle avoidance camera actually points back, so forward, so reverse, you will not go. Alright, so we're gonna go forward again, and you see that's the issue, it will sort of like wait before it can allow you to get out of obstacle avoidance. So let's try again. Now I'm not allowed to reverse, but if I go forward, it will not go forward, and you sort of have to wait, and then now I can go forward. And so that's the one thing that I don't like. Flight time is quite long, so I think they quoted this for 26 minutes. So if I bang left and right, you see the camera actually turns to that direction. Let's say I want to reverse, so my camera pointing me as well. Let's check out the gimbal. It actually works. The gimbal is doing its job. So I think we got 3 axes, yaw, pitch and banking as well. So now I start banking the drone, and then you can see the image is actually flat. So it's working very well. The gimbal actually is superb, man. Now I'm gonna pitch. Damn, this is very impressive. Camera quality wise, I'm gonna show you this video we shot recently at a drive. So for mobile viewing, the photo quality is fine, but for well, large viewing or for print, it's not really suitable because, well, we can't expect too much from this really tiny camera sensor, because the camera sensor is really small. It's as small as like those FPV live feed camera. And then here's the video. So video also okay, not bad, and it's very well stabilized. Only issue would be the tilt up and down is not linear, it's not smooth, it's like a button. You press a button, it just go up by step. And in terms of flying, this is this is a superb drone, man. It's well tuned. See, if I throw it around, see, it flies, it locks really well. And just let go my hand, and then it will level itself very well and hover at one spot. Very stable. It's almost as good as DJI. So probably if they can put a better camera to it, this can probably rival DJI. So it hovers on the same spot. I think this is on visual positioning. That's why it is so solid on one spot. It's very impressive, right? So let's say we go up, it should be purely on GPS, and it's hovering at the same spot. It's not moving at all. Let's go yaw. It's able to yaw pretty much on the same spot as well. When you want to land, just throttle down and then hold throttle down, and then it'll cue off the motor. Right? And let's say you have initiated the motor, if you want to cancel it, you just pull it outwards to cancel it. There are a lot more features on the mobile, like a waypoint and a GPS follow. I'm not going to show it in this video because it's better to try all this larger open area. So to power it off, just long press and wait for all the lights to go off. And always turn off the drone first before turning on the remote. So that's the part 1 video to get you flying, and I'm really impressed that the obstacle avoidance actually works on such a cheap drone. And I also like that the gimbal actually works. So you can check out the link in the description to get one, and by clicking the affiliate link in the description, you help build this channel without extra cost to you. So go check out the link in the description, and I'll see you on part 2 video. Bye.